everybody, welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a just wicked cool 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Guys, the fastest 3D3 car I've ever been in. This thing rocks. If you're looking for something with some horsepower, you're gonna love this car. If you don't have a lot of experience with horsepower, this car will get you hurt. This thing flies. Recent body up restoration. It's finished in the factory color combination, the light green with the dark green interior. You can see it's got the white Super Bee stripe on the side. It is a real bee. It's got the M code in the VIN. It is one of 1336 factory 4-speed 3D3 cars ever built. You can see it's got the staggered Magnum 500 wheels on it. Those are 10-inch in the rear. And let me tell you, jump on this thing, it'll just smoke them for 3 gears. Wicked cool car, rock solid, original Virginia body. I think it's got like 70-some thousand original miles on it. Killer car. Again, real 4-speed car. If you're looking for something fun to bang the gears, guys, I think you're going to really like this car. Chrome and stainless are nice. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I saw a couple of little touch-up marks as I was walking around on it. But man, the car is nice and tight. Rides out just as smooth as can be. Super nice car, man, and I'm telling you, a fun car to drive. Pop out rear windows. I wish we had some sunshine, because man, this paint on this car is pretty. Original tail panel is nice. I think this car's got the original body panels on it too. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, those are 10-inch wide Magnums in the rear. Goodyear Eagle STs, I believe, all the way around it. Just a little dirty if you've seen that, guys. Touch up mark there. This is a wicked fun car, man. It has a 69 date-coated 3D3 engine in it. It's got a Mopar Performance cam in it. Like I say, this setup on this thing rocks. Holley dual-feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock Torker intake. It's got 67 date-coated closed chamber 440 heads on it. They have put the billet pulleys on it. Headers, it's got an MSD Pro billet ready-to-run distributor in it. It's a factory D21 car. It's got the HD 18 spline heavy-duty 4-speed manual transmission. There's your fender tag. He does have a breakdown on the fender tag on the car too. Pretty car right here, man. Slick paint. A-pillar chrome's nice, shows a little bit of age, but really nice. See, it's just a little smudge there. Wipes off, guys. Nice door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Just got the door tag in the car for you California folks. Gotta have that. Factory bench seats, got the pistol grip shifter, tic-toc-tach. Nice car right here. Steering wheel's in great shape. Oh, 74, 142 on your odometer. Tic-toc-tach, engages, clock works. It's got a Retrosounds radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges under there. Of course, pistol grip shifter. Parking brake works. It's got the deeper dish Milidon oil pan underneath there. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a Dana 354 sure grip in the rear. Factory jack with spares here in the trunk. It's all body color like it's supposed to be. And you can see it's still got the insulation, oops, on the quarters. And then here again, there's a breakdown of everything done to the car. And then there's a breakdown on the fender tag. Wicked cool car, man. Clean underneath. As always, there's photos on our webpage at southernmotors.com of the bottoms of all the cars. Am I getting bombarded right now with consignment questions? No, I do not consign cars, guys. I own them outright. I don't buy anything that I wouldn't park in my own driveway. Wicked cool car right there, man. Works, gauges, your alternator and fuel gauge are up there. Everything else is mounted down here. So your car's holding over 80 pounds of oil pressure at idle. Everything opens and closes nice. It's a wicked bad car, guys. When you hit it, you better hold on. This thing rocks. Blower motor work, Nathan? I think it does. Yeah. Blower motor does work, guys. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.